Jiahua Machine H40 Automatic Aluminium Profile CNC Router with laser scribing. Equipped with Intelligent Operation Console for easy and efficient control, ERP system integration for seamless management and tracking, barcode scanning for task order reading, enhancing workflow efficiency, automatic clamping system to securely hold profiles during processing. High-precision laser scribing for accurate and clean markings. Smooth track system for precise and stable operation. Machine dimensions: length 5,000 millimeters, width 850 millimeters, height 150 millimeters. Choose Jiahua Machine, choose expertise and reliability.